So here is the instruction. You have to start with this, then this, then this, this, then this, then this, then this, then this, then this. Done. And here are the parts. You should have all these parts. This is how it looks. The best thing I liked is it has the metal support at the bottom, which you can see for all the shelves. It's pretty sturdy, but kind of small. I could have purchased the 6 feet one. It came in this box and I am done with the assembly. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, drop your comments below. The total weight was around 12.5 kg. Let me show you the box. It's pretty old packaging. kg, 12 kg with net weight. Okay, I got red and yellow theme to match my wall. If you have any questions, drop your comments below. I will recommend this one. This is of Cello. I was about to buy Nilkamal, but in Nilkamal I read the review that the panel gaps are not good. So that's why I read the review that in Cello we have this support. So there will be no bending in future because we have this metal support. So maximum load should come to the bottom and lighter things should come to the top. That's why I arrange the shelves like that. Here you have all the markings, which panel will go to which side. So it's easy. I think I took 15 minutes to assemble it. And it's fun. Assembling it is a fun part, not boring. So if you want to see this, you can pause the video and take the screenshot. Otherwise you can follow my video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Bye.